Good morning, class 8th. You know that this is your science book, Modern Science and Technology. In this book, I complete the first chapter, that is crop production and management, where we learn that about agricultural practices, basic practices of crop production, preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, adding manures and fertilizer, protection from weeds, harvesting, threshing and winnowing, preservation and storage of food grains, crop rotation and multiple cropping. And the last topic is food from animals. So I complete that chapter. Let's take a review in this video. After that, I will give you exercise and question answer, which you have to write down in your notebook. Okay. In this chapter, we read, in the last video I told you about the introduction and agricultural practices. Now come on the basic practices of crop production. Basic practices of crop production, in which there are certain conditions which are very important for ensuring a good crop. For a good crop, there are certain conditions which we have to follow. They are, the field should be open, and there are a proper availability of light and open area. The soil should be turned before sowing so that the root of the young plant penetrate and they can breathe properly and the roots get water. The right amount of water should be available. This is an important point for crop production. Unwanted weeds, weedicides, unwanted plants should be removed time to time. Overall, the following are the agricultural practices to be followed by the farmer. First of all, before sowing seeds, the farmer have to prepare the soil. Okay, and this preparation of soil are by plowing, by using plow and hoe. These are the agricultural implement with the help of which the plant prepare the soil and label it. Okay, what is plowing? This is done by plow or tilling. Okay, in which by the turning the soil particles and loosening them, this allow the roots to breathe easily. Okay, so preparation of soil, and there are some implements which are used in preparation of soil, that is plow, cultivator, and hoe. And of course I described this in the Zoom class also. What is plow? This is an implement. In ancient time the farmer used it. This is a triangular iron strip, okay, which is known as plowshare. This is the first part, that is known as plowshare, while the handle, which is known long wood handle, which is known as plow shaft. Okay, and there is a beam which is placed on the neck of the bullocks, and with the help of which the plowing should be done. Now come on the hoe. Hoe is also an agricultural tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. There are also two types of structures which combined to form hoe, that is handle and the bent plate. This bent plate is very sharp, and it remove all the weeds present in the field. And the second side, there is a beam which is also placed on the neck of the bullock. This is cultivator, in which the cultivator is attached to the tractor used for loosening and turning soil. Okay, now come on the next topic, that is sowing of seed. So preparation of soil by plowing and leveling the field with the help of plow and hoe. Okay, now come on the sowing of seeds. Sowing of seeds, after the land has been prepared, seeds of crops can be sown in the field. So first of all, before sowing the seeds, the farmer have to select the seed, and in this point the selection of seed is done by farmer. The farmer the farmers select the seed by using the water, in which the farmer just find out the healthy seeds from disease free and also resistant to disease. This is the next topic, that is selection of seed, in which the farmer, by with the help of this activity, you find out how the farmer select the seed, in which we take a beaker and fill half of it with water. I said to so many students, मैंने आप कई बच्चों से बोला है कि you just do this activity, okay, in which put a handful of seeds in the beaker, stir the water and leave the setup standing for some time, and observe the seed carefully, in which we can observe that some seed float on water while others sink and settle at the bottom. Okay, the unhealthy seeds are floating in the water, while the healthy seeds will come on the bottom. Okay, now come on the broadcasting. What is broadcasting? The scattering of seeds. Scattering of seeds is known as broadcasting. In many developed countries, seeds are no longer sown by hand. In our India, so many farmers are spraying the seeds manually or by hand, while in developed country the seeds are spraying by broadcaster. Okay, when the farmer in the developed country broadcast the seed, these seeds are broadcast by a machine that is known as broadcaster. Okay, and the second method of sowing by using seed drill. This method is widely used in India. Okay, by seed drill. You can see here seed drill. This method is widely used in India. Simplest seed drill consists of a vertical tube with a seed bowl.